Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will discuss the eyedropper tool, how the eyedropper tool works. I have selected this image for this tutorial. So you see that this is the very famous Atlantis hotel in Dubai. Now I want to write the name of this hotel. I got an assignment. They want to write the name of this hotel with the same color the hotel has. Now the questions to me is if I go to the color palette and I try to match the color, so it's little difficult for me exactly to match according to these wall colors. So let me use the dropper tool for that. Go to this is your dropper tool. See that the eyedropper tool I will select and I will pick the color of this hotel and I will select the text, the Atlantis, and thus reduce the size according to your. And that's it. This is a very easy options. For example, again I give you another options. If you wanna select the board color, just press I from your keyboard because the dropper tool is already selected. Click here, select your typo tool and write Dubai. See this what happened. This is what I'm gonna show you that because the color is changed in your color palette, but the color is not changed in your text palette. Do not worry about this one. Just simply select it, click on your color text color palette and just drag and drop. That's it. The dropper tool, and you will get your result. This is so it's very easy to select the specific color you want to use in your text or in your image. With the same way you can draw the images. This is blue color by default selected. I do not need it. Let me remove this color, and through this dropper let me select the color which I have on this dome and draw a shape. I want to draw this shape here. See how easy it is to use the dropper tool to select some color and want to use in your object or the text. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.